Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel, on this beautiful day. Hope you're all doing really good as usual. Today we have a little issue here with the reference in inventory. We're just going to fix that and we're going to make inventory look really nice. Maybe we're going to get started on the armor class just quickly. And yeah, that's what this video is going to be about. But before we get started, as always, please check out the description box. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter if you want. Drop a like, subscribe. Also, I got the link to Discord down there. You can join the Discord channel. We got a bunch of people talking over there now, just helping each other out. And yeah, I'll be there as well. So just do that if you want. Otherwise, let's just keep going. So the problem we're having here in inventory is that when you create an object in C++ like this directly in the function as the parameter, all right, and the receiving parameter is just a simple reference. The problem is C++ actually doesn't like that. It wants this to be outside, so it wants it to be like this: weapon wep equals weapon, like that. Okay, you could do that, and then just send in wep here like that, whatever, just as a temporary variable, which should work. Inventory add should just be one thing. Let's see, like that. Yeah, that should work. Okay, but that's not what we want. This is tedious, this is annoying, this is not something we want to do. We want to keep it like it was. But what C++ doesn't like is just it being a regular reference. So what we need to do is we need to switch it up. We need to add a const item reference, okay? And we need that we did in inventory.h. So inventory CPP, same thing, const item reference. And then it's going to complain in here. It's going to say, okay, item clone itself is not returning a const item. We need that to be a const as well, this function. So then we need to go in to item.cpp or item.h, and we need to set clone as a constant function, just to make sure it returns it as a constant. Just make sure that nothing in here is gonna mess up data, right? The data for the class. So it's just gonna set everything as a constant, and then we're gonna go into item dot. Well, let's see. Well, it should be fine. I don't know why it's complaining there. It's like that. It shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, okay, fine. It's just slow. And then in weapon, we need to set this as a constant as well, the clone function. And then in weapon.h, so I know this is tedious, right? But we need to set that as a constant. So now everything is const, everything is fine, nothing is gonna screw anything up. This is not red anymore, it's fine. So see, this is a constant function now. Also in character.cpp right here, this isn't red anymore. So I can add the weapon like this. And that means that if we run it, we should be able to run it. We shouldn't get any problems. Should be fine. So our inventory should be kind of functional now. Nothing special yet. And then we're just going to say start game character menu 4, and we can see we have a test, rarity, 1 asterisk, and damage. So it knows it's a weapon right here when it's printing it out. Another thing I want to do is I want to go to weapon CPP and just tell you that I had these in the wrong order. So the rarity should be first and the symbol we want to print should be after, obviously, since we've been using that for a long time. So that's kind of important. Now I also want to add the weapon type, because in inventory we can't really see the what do you call it? The type of the item. So we want to know if it's a weapon or whatever it is, and I think that should go first though. So let's just put name here like this, like that, and then we have this and this. Type, get type. Okay, so we can do that. Now in item.h or here. So we want to create another function. So const std string get type as string. Okay, just a basic function. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna do const unsigned reference here. Get const unsigned get rarity as string. Const. Okay, so we got two new functions here. I'm just gonna define them. Boom. Define this one as well. Boom. And just go to item.cpp. I'll just keep it close. Just like that. Item.cpp. So here we are. Now we have our two different functions here. It's going to be really simple. Std string type equals none from the beginning. All right. Just to show errors. And then we're going to have a switch case. And we're going to say this type. All right. We're just going to do the switch case. Case, if the type is 0 or weapon, then, yeah, obviously break. Case, armor, break, and then default break. So we got our cases here. We need to do this, obviously, just like that. And then we got a bunch of different cases here. And type str, I'll just call it type str. So this is an easy way of kind of getting a string back. Type str equals weapon. Weapon, just in lowercase, just regular weapon, just like that. Boom. And then we'll say type string equals armor, and then type string equals error. We'll just call it error if it's default. Error from the start. I guess we don't need to set it anything there. Anyway, there we go. And then we'll just return type str. There we go. So easy peasy. I'm just gonna copy paste all of this into get rarity as string. And this is kind of fun, right? So here we're gonna have common, and then what did we have here? If I just open up item.h, common, uncommon, rare, epic, legendary, mythic. So common, uncommon, rare, legendary, mythic, right? Uncommon, rare, epic, legendary, mythic. So rare, epic, legendary, mythic. Epic, legendary, mythic. Common, uncommon, rare, epic, legendary, and then mythic. Easy peasy. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this, or common, kind of tedious again, but has to be done. Uncommon, rare, epic, legendary, mythic. And you guys can just scroll through the video if you want. Rarity str. I'm just gonna copy that just to make sure everything's fine. You know, when you're coding, some things can be tedious, but it's really important to keep things nice and tidy. And then we'll just return rarity string const std string, obviously. All right. Okay, that was a problem. So there we go. So now we're returning them as strings. I just need to change this function right there. Okay, there we go. So now we can get them back as a string. If I go back into weapon, I'll just do get type as string here, and then get rarity like this. I like it like this. You can use get rarity as string now, but just to show you, I'm gonna kind of comment this out, and I'm just gonna do this get rarity as string, just like that. So I commented that out, and we'll just run this, and hopefully I'll see all of this stuff properly. Maybe we don't have time to create the armor class just yet, but this was important as well. This was a big error, and I need to make everything look nice for you guys so you can see what the hell's going on. It's important too. So let's just do an inventory. So name, test, type, weapon, rarity, common, damage 5 to 10. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Now we can do the same thing for value and all that stuff in here. Now the problem is just which order do you like stuff. So name is kind of important, I guess. Type is important. Rarity is important. Damage is probably the most important part of the weapon. So I probably want to put that right after type. Alright, just put that right after type. And I'll just put a semicolon right there. Okay. And then if we want, we can do value as well. So let's just go down. Value. This get value. And then we'll do that. Okay, so now we got the whole full everything going right here, which is kind of good. That's cool. Now we got all that working. Now before I end the video, I just want to make sure we got everything here in inventory. Everything seems to be working fine. I could add the weapon if I wanted to. Also, what I want to do is the inventory toString is kind of ugly. So what we will do here, just before we end the video, is just include msgfunctions.h, our own little library, and we're going to add some stuff here. So we're going to say GUI msg menu title inventory menu. That's all I'm going to do. And then I'm going to say GUI msg menu divider. And here I'm going to say amount 40 and one of those symbols, just as usual. And in here, I'm just going to remove all of this. I'm going to say GUI menu item constant number is going to be I, and then this items at position I to string. Cool. Alright, so before we end the video, let me just run this one time and show you guys and girls how all this beautiful stuff is working. I hope I'm recording. Yes, I am. There you go. Let's see. So, ooh, boom, character menu, all that beautiful stuff, boom. Okay, since I'm dumb, so I don't know why you guys are watching me, I forgot the SS right there. Let me just run this one more time. Let me take the time to just thank all of you for your beautiful support, all you beautiful people. I really appreciate it. It's been helping out a lot, and we're having a lot of fun on Discord, just talking and stuff. So yeah, just shout out to all you guys on Discord. Really, really appreciate it. So here you go. That's your inventory menu. That's the index, name, test, type, weapon, damage, rarity, common. Yeah, this doesn't really look that nice since it's all in one line, but probably will look better for you. Yeah, probably will look better for you on yours if it's a little smaller font and stuff. But that's about it. That's about it for this. It's kind of good setup. I want to create the armor class next, I think. Probably we'll do that. We'll see. I always change my mind. Probably that, or we will just go ahead and begin the inventory state. So I'll see one of those two, but both of those things will be coming soon. And once we're done with those things, we'll get into the more gameplay aspects, skills, maybe attribute points for maybe melee attack or stuff like that. Whatever we want to do, we can do a bunch of stuff. We'll just keep the series going if you like it. Yeah, so it's gonna be fine. I know I have another series, the console RPG, the regular one, but that one is I kind of didn't build it with states, and states helps us kind of divide everything nicely. So without states it's kind of hard. This way it's a lot easier, so we don't have to make a bunch of submenus and stuff. Just I hope you understand that. But thanks so much for all the support. Thanks for working with me. Thanks for talking with me everywhere, sending me messages and all that. I really appreciate it. Check out the description box. Yeah, follow me on Twitter, drop a like, subscribe if you like the content. Otherwise, I'll see you guys and girls in the next one, alright? Bye-bye.